Hello, class. Before we begin today, I have the rubric for your guys' unit exams. There you go. You guys are lucky.
Oh my Lord, just made it, guys. Hello! Oh my gosh, you know how I am. I have to yell. Did he just pass these out? I'm sure you can ask him for another paper. Yo! How was the playoffs? You know how we're doing so good? You better make us win. I'm not sure what your name is. I'm not gonna talk to you. How you doing?
Are you gonna sit down? You weren't on time. You came in about 5 minutes late. Secondly, what?
The only reason I was late is because my dog got my alarm clock, man. Don't put that on me. I have my work.
Well, first of all, I saw you take that work. Second of all, if your dog ate your alarm clock, it should be on the way to the vet. Thirdly, I think you owe everybody here an apology for what atrocity we had to just witness. And by everybody, I mean everybody here, an apology.
Whatever. I'm sorry, guys. You know how so sorry I am. I'm so sorry, guys. But give it up for Kate Brenstetter, who's performing next. And I'll just get to my work. Totally get to my work.